Hi, everyone, this video gives 3 ways to help you recover WMV files, and 2 methods to help you repair corrupted WMV files. How to recover deleted or lost WMV files. Way 1. Recover WMV files from the recycle bin. Double-click the recycle bin icon on the desktop. Type the file extension WMV in the search box. Select the WMV files that you want to recover. Right-click on the files and choose Restore. Go to the original location of the target videos. You can find the recovered videos there. Way 2. Recover WMV files with MiniTool Power Data Recovery. Launch MiniTool Power Data Recovery. Choose Select Folder and click Browse. Choose the target folder and click Select Folder. Scan results will be shown by path by default. Go to the Type tab to find the WMV video files from the result. Check the box in front of the target files. Click Save. Way 3. Recover WMV files from file history. Type Control Panel in the search box. Select Control Panel under Best Match. Go to System and Security and then File History. Select Restore Personal Files from the left panel. Select a backup version that contains the lost WMV videos. Select WMV videos and click the green Restore button to retrieve files. The recovered WMV files will be restored to the original directory. How to repair corrupted WMV files. Method 1. Convert WMV files to MP4. Open the VLC Media Player. Choose Media and then Convert or Save on the main interface. Choose Add in the following window. Choose your WMV video and click Open. Click the down arrow button next to Convert or Save and choose Convert. Choose Video H.264 plus MP3 megapoises 4. Click Browse in the Destination section. Then choose a storage path for the converted file. Click Start to begin the converting process. Method 2. Update the display adapters. Right-click on the Windows icon button. Choose Device Manager from the menu. Find and expand the Display Adapters option. Right-click on the driver and choose Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Thanks for watching. For more information, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.